Hi everyone, welcome back to Salita Programming. It's been a while since we have done a Leetcode programming question for practice. So let's start out today and this year of 2022 with first unique character in a string, which is an easy question. So let's take it easy and try to solve this problem. And for this problem, we are given a string and we have to find the first non-repeating character in it, then return its index. Then if there is no non-repeating character, then we return -1. So here are 3 examples, pretty straightforward. The input of Leetcode returns an output of 0, which means that the first letter is the first unique letter that we find in the string. Because L is the first one, there's no more L's in the word Leetcode. And for S equals love Leetcode, the output is V because V is in the second index and there is no more V in love Leetcode. There is also another letter T that is unique in the string, but it comes after V. So the output of index 2 is the answer. And in example 3, AABB, there are no unique characters, so the output is -1. And the constraints are that S is between 1 and 10 to the 5, and that S consists of only lowercase English letters. So we don't have to worry about anything else, such as special characters. All right, so let's code that out. And before we begin coding, there is going to be a data structure that we need, which is a dictionary or a hash map if you're coming from other programming languages besides Python. And basically what a dictionary does is it's going to help store the count of the letters, and their key is going to be the string, and then their value is going to be the number of occurrences of that letter. Here I will show you. We're going to set it as results. This is our dictionary. We'll declare it with curly braces. Now we go through S, which is the string that we're evaluating. And if I is already in results, we will add to the count of that letter. So results at I is going to be plus equals 1. And then if results at I does not exist yet, is going to have a count of 1. So basically here we are doing what we were doing in here, and we're declaring the count. And once, for example, it goes to the second E, we have to increment the count. And that way we can get all of our counts. Now we will go through the string we are evaluating using a for loop. So for I in range of length of S, we will go from left to right and see if each and every character in here has a value count of 1. And once we reach a value count of 1, we will immediately return the index of our loop. So after we loop through it, let's check if results at S of I is equal to 1. And if it is, that means we have to return I, because that is our first unique character. And if we have looped through all the string and there is no character that is unique, or if there is no character in our results dictionary that has a value count of 1, let's return -1. Let's try that out. We'll run the code. It looks like Leetcode return an index of 0, which is our first unique character. Now let's try love Leetcode. It gave us V. which is index at 2, and AABB should give us index of -1. Okay, now let's try a different example. Let's see, we want one near the end, so do ASDF, and then do it again, and L. And now this first unique character is going to be at, no, we'll see. Six, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, K. K is our first. Let's try another test case where our unique letter is at the end rather than at the beginning of the string. Let's put A, we already have A, B, and then W in the end. And that will give us W, which is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's put another one in the middle just for fun. So U. That would give us index 4. 3. Yeah, 3, I believe. So awesome. We were able to solve this question by using dictionaries or hash maps or maps. And the key of this is, no pun intended, that we have to find the count of all of these characters and then go through it in chronological order and then return its index. All right, so fairly simple question. I am going to try and submit it and see if I got the right answer. Hopefully. Yes, it's faster than 48% of Python submissions and uses 14 megabytes and less than 41% of Python online submissions for first unique character in a string, and the runtime is 201 milliseconds. All right, thank you so much for watching. We have solved our first question on Leetcode of 2022, and I would like to see what solutions you guys come up with. And also let me know in the comments down below what your suggestion for next videos would be in terms of programming and web development. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button for Salita programming. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.